Get on over to Bundles of Zoe. And Zoe is a star seller. Awesome. Let's see what we have over here, Zoe. And we've got out of Montreal, Canada, 1,031 results. So love that. Love that. Natural self-care gift. Let's check this guy out. Let's see, Lee. Great idea. Some for bleaching. We'll do that. Lighting my house is terrible. Yeah, sometimes just taking your photos, even next to a window where you get some natural lighting can make it or break it and really make your stuff shine out and look good. So the lighting is definitely one of the trickier things to get just right. But if the lighting in your house isn't working, you just go somewhere else and you go on an adventure to find the best lighting. So let's see this one right here. Natural self-care gift. I don't know why this sounds like such a fun product. 17,000 results. So that's really good. Great keyword right there. This keyword made in Canada, it's not really a strong keyword because it's not something people are going to be searching for a whole lot. If somebody's looking for the, made in Canada is nice to have, but it's not really like people don't search very much like natural self-care gifts made in Canada. So I would remove that one probably. And let's see, because it's moving your other keywords further down. So deluxe spa gift set, that's a great keyword right there because it describes your product and not as big, only 845 results. But it's still, it's still nice. Natural pregnancy gift. At home natural pregnancy gift. What is that supposed to mean? Oh boy. Does this mean like you buy this and then you get pregnant? That's too funny. I'm curious if that's what it's supposed to mean. Charcoal sheet mask and safe for a pregnancy. Okay, they're safe for a pregnancy. I don't know. You never know what you find on Etsy. I'm like, that would be hilarious. Like, get this box. It's the romantic pregnancy box. You're going to use all these products and then just have a lovely time. I don't know. Who knows? There's all sorts of things, but that makes more sense. Safe for pregnancy makes more sense. That cracks me up a little bit. Let's see here. Let's look at what we got in here. Looking for a thoughtful gift. Wellness bundle comes with beautifully wrapped, handwritten details, all sorts of fun things in here. So we've got some soap, we've got some Himalayan salt bath, natural deodorant, we've got non-toxic. So I like it. Lots of cool stuff. Such a great little selection. I like that you're showing off the gift wrapping. Let's see. Select an option. Routine deodorant. And what does this mean here? Facial mask. So I'm guessing this is like kind of the different things. If you wanted to get, you can swap out. So you get deodorant or a face mask or a hair mask. Okay, very nice. Settle down, schmooch. See, this is why I'm thinking it's a pregnancy gift. Look at all these things. Settle down, schmooch. Oh yeah, be kind. No wonder. I can't blame myself. I can't blame myself. And we got a hair mask, all sorts of nice things in here. Okay, I like it. I think it's a beautiful product, really, really nice, and it looks like such a fun gift. And you're hitting the nail on the head, Polly. It is hard to think of sometimes what do you get somebody as a gift, and this is a great gift because it's just a whole bunch of fun stuff. And it looks like your different listings here. Let's see here. We got a chemo care package for men, 11 product cancer treatment gift set, radiation gift basket. That's really nice. Chemotherapy gift, cancer gift, thinking of you. So definitely wonder if the chemo, what that keyword is like. Chemo care package. So definitely is some results there. 1,000 results. So that's a lovely gift. I like that one. Very nice. We got a few different soap options, some snack options, all sorts of great keywords here. And I like that you got the individuals, and it's such a great product. You pull together all of these nice things and then you put it together and you've got yourself a product. So October 5th on that one. Now, I don't know what this one sells at, but I think you could probably, if this is a good product, you can renew it like once a week or so. It looks like you got 150 of these. So bundles of Zoe natural self-care gift bundles. I think these are great. I mean, I don't have a whole lot of nets of like suggestions. I mean, it looks like you've hit every different types of ones. You've got some for cancer, you've got some for him, for her, for under 75 bucks Canadian, for under 50 bucks American, all sorts of things. So yeah, I mean, these are really, really nice. I would say just keep renewing it. The best ones, the ones that are selling a lot, that people, are digging, make sure that you renew them pretty frequently. Like this guy right here, September 30th. I think renewing your listings like once a week is a pretty good place to stay, because for most of these keywords, if it's a keyword worth its salt, like if it gets any kind of searches, usually, most of the listings on the top of the search results are going to be like a week old, or 1 to 2 weeks old. Now, this one's kind of a broad one, but like if we look at all of these different products, we'll probably find most of them are not going to be that old. Like if we scroll down, October 15th, so that one's today. This one right here, today, listed on October 15th. Let's see this one, October 15th. So if you're working on listings that are popular, and you're working with keywords that are popular, you want to go ahead and, renew and keep them nice and fresh. So that will just help you. Renewing your listings is perfect for you, Melissa, because your keywords are good, your photos are good, your pricing is good, you're a star seller, you're really doing great.